Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Blessed. Dancehall Skilla here again. Manners and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are right. Yes, so I'm going to start off this video a certain type of way. My people, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when police went at a location within the country of Jamaica. I got the understanding that there was some type of a disagreement between police and persons who was at a location within the country of Jamaica, and there was some type of an argumentative situation. So, my people, I would like you to look and listen to this video and tell me what you think about the situation. You can tell me who might be right from who might be wrong when it comes down to this type of situation. I'm making it very clear that I am not picking any sides here. You see what I say? No, I'm not picking any sides. I am more trying to see if there can be some form of solution. Oh, and viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
This is why people can't like Jamaican police. Man, something that even started. Girl, the DJ, I play the music off her phone, take the girl laptop on her phone. Me I ask the police for him number.
Listen.
Ask the police for him number and him no one give the number, them take out them identification.
You see me? Voila.
As a citizen.
That's okay now.
Alright, as a citizen, when you ask the police for them number, they're supposed to tell them what their number is. Why not come here without an identification? You can't tell me that, sir. You can't say that to me. You can't say that to me. Who not do something illegal right now? Who not do something illegal right now? Me a video now. Watch out. What's this? I ask if your identification number you don't want to give me. I ask if your identification number you don't want to give me, sir. Why you do that? Why you come here without your number? Why you come without your number?
I said them.
No, sir.
So
It's illegal for them just take up your property like that, you know? It's illegal for them just take up your property like that because them can tamper with it when them go to the station. When people don't know them civil rights, them do all kind of something. When people don't know them civil rights, them do all kind of something. Them can tamper with your information from your electronics right now. But them take up your things. What's your number, sir? You have the right to answer me? When I ask you what your number?
Yes, I'm going to say to you that you don't have any right to video me without my consent.
Alright, let me talk. But you have a right to take up the people them things? You have a right to take up the people them things?
That camera from my face?
May I ask you if you have a right to take up the people them things? That may I ask you. You have a right to take up the people them things?
So me can ask you.
You have no right to take up the people them things.
You see any social media platform I should see my face or my colleague?
You can't do nothing.
That's all right.
Sue by who? Sue by who? Sue by who? Let me say sue by who? You know, if you have on your number, then no, you could have said something to me. But me not even know if you work with the police. You could have just thief the uniform, thief the van, and come round here. That may I tell you. You know, show no ID. Where is your ID? You know, show no ID, you know, have a number, you just have a uniform. Anybody can buy one of them uniform there and thief and police van and come. You don't operate the legal and proper way. That's why nobody no respect you.
Me have work on my team, me have time for all of this. Me's working first, you know.
He won't take people them things for. We're in a one closed compound, and keep something in a one closed building. And at 12 o'clock yet. Want to come take the people them things for.
God, man, I'm not going to my laptop yet, and you're going to take up my laptop.
I refuse to give you identification.
Laptop not even string.
We just come and say, oh, we're the police.
God,
no,
and then my phone gone too, and my phone I play a little song. I swear,
but if me post, this is live.
I mean, come find me now. That's foolishness.
This is live. This is live, sir. And them still not give them number. See the carrier? Maybe them not even sign it out of the station, because of that them always do.
Yeah, but give me phone back then and I come to my laptop, then I need my phone.
Oh.
Maybe them not even sign out the vehicle, but them a come do this. Me not who pay them off. But now stop video, you can't stop me, sir. I'm within my right now.
In my right, let me tell you something, man.
That may I tell you. So you can do anything you want to do.
Them supervisor than
Sir,
me.
He might go feed them back now.
People have video and me the right to
Well, there's something I want to say.
He might go feed them back now because that's how silly they are. Watch out.
Grown man.
No, sir.
Grown man.
Hold on.
Grown man, come
Something
on, woman,
wrong.
phone. Grown
Them
man.
disgusting though.
Police.
Alright, so here with me I say no, my people, see, because I am trying to find some form of a peaceful solution. See, I'm not sure if I said this before, but this is what me I will say. I'm not sure, I'm just saying I'm not sure, but this is what me I say. I would like for civilians and law enforcers within the country of Jamaica to have some type of a meeting to try and resolve certain issues between police and civilians, or law enforcers and civilians within the country of Jamaica, because the amount of videos when we see on social media about some situations between law enforcers and civilians is a lot. I think it is for a good purpose and the best of interest when most situations between law enforcers and civilians are recorded. You understand me? So, when a situation is being recorded, there is proof as to what happened, and not, oh, this person said, or that person said. You see me? I mean, wouldn't it be safer if every single law enforcer wear a body cam in, I'm going to say most situations, because I'm not sure if all, but most situations. You get what I said here? And when it comes on to police identifying themselves and all them things, I think that is something that is very important, because I have heard about situations where criminals pretend to be police. So these are the things where me look at. No, I am not saying these words to try and disrespect no one or to cause no form of problem. I am saying these words out of concerns. That situation that we see in the video right there, so you know, I can understand from both sides of the situation. So that's why I'm wondering if there can be some type of a meeting to resolve certain issues between civilians and police within the country of Jamaica. I'm trying to find a way to, you know, keep a peace within the country of Jamaica. Huh? The amount of videos we see with some situations between police and civilians, I tell the truth, my people, set away. So let me know anything about that situation, my people, and I hope you understand what I said. You see, I hope you pay attention to certain words that have been said in the video. You know, like phone and laptop and so on. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, I am going to present another video to you that I recorded in Jamaica. The next video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened when a motor vehicle that was occupied by a certain amount of passengers stopped at a location within the country of Jamaica. And the video shows police from within the country of Jamaica as well. I did not get any confirmed information as to why the motor vehicle stopped. And I hear when a certain amount of persons said some words in the video, and let me tell you something, some of those words do not sound pleasant in my point of view. So let's take a look at this video and see if we can get some form of understanding about the situation. Oh, and my people, I want you to please bear in mind that I am not able to confirm if any words said in this video by anyone pertaining to the situation is accurate or true. No, I am not able to confirm anything like that. However, look and listen to the video and tell me what you think. Oh, and viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Them mix brother. Them transmission. Transmission, Gen Z, just with the club. At them now. But they must stop me one at about the man a ride a Sashula. This can't work JTC bus. This a look aside the road that can't work JTC bus. After I don't know on the road enough. I want them to have woman. They have woman that they had. Uncle no have woman. Jenna, You know have camera up on the bus, don't argue. Yeah, all of them want dead. All of them want dead. Ali? All of them want dead. Watch out, go on. Got you about
Come man, and if you go look for a rap,
mountain dancer, them want food.
OMG, my people. I think it is somewhat obvious as to who those persons might have been talking about, you know. One of the reasons why I present the video to you, is because the video had been posted on social media. Yes, I say, would I like to know what I think about that situation there as well, you know. I tell you, set away. Oh, I notice me see where some type of a paper had been someone handed or given to someone from one of those law enforcers, you know. Just to point out that the situation is set away. So my people, tell me what you think about that video or the situation, you know. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a person who had been held by law enforcers or police from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. I did not get any confirmed information as to why that person had been held by police or law enforcers within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. But I hear a person saying some words in a video that I'm about to present to you about that person or the situation, see me? And I'm going to present that video to you, my viewers and subscribers, but I want you to please bear in mind that I am not able to confirm if any words said in the video are accurate or even true pertaining to the situation or the person. Look and listen to this video for yourself, and the viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
God to sleep. God to sleep. Yeah, God don't sleep. He rub me and eat. I don't want to go through that, but yeah, God don't sleep. I just always be there. When I see my Psalm 35, I just be there to see everything happen. God to sleep.
Again, I did not get any confirmed information as to why that person had been held by police or law enforcers. Yes, I say, but listen to some words that have been said in a part of this video. I'm not able to confirm if those words are accurate, but listen to this part. Listen.
Yeah, God don't sleep. He rub me and eat. I don't want to go through that, but
you hear the person saying, yeah. Listen one more time again.
Yeah, God don't sleep. He rub me and eat. I don't want to go through that, but yeah, God don't sleep. I just always be there. When I see my Psalm 35, I just be there to see everything happen.
If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. My people, I am going to present another video to you. This video shows when at least two persons did something that I think was very dangerous. The video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened at an area that was flooded because of rainfall. And the video shows when at least two persons somehow went across a flooded area by somewhat skipping across, as how some people might call it. I'm not sure if I should say that they actually walked, because they somewhat jumped in our way. So I'm going to say that they skipped across that flooded section. They basically skipped and hopped in the water in order to cross that flooded area. What those persons had done by going across that flooded area or that flooded section was very dangerous, my people. I consider that to be a big risk on their lives. I do not have any confirmed information to determine where the video had been recorded, but persons who can hear talking in the video was using Jamaican accent while they were talking. Do not do anything like that. No. Once you see that an area is flooded, avoid going anywhere near a flooded area, because you never know what can happen. Eh? My people, take a look at this video and tell me what you think. Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with my people.
Where you say, Erica? Where you say go on the bridge now? Yo, where you say go on the bridge? Light coming theater. The bridge. Who can cross it? Who can cross it? Come in. Who can cross it? Nobody cannot cross it. No, all who often understand it.
Sir, you want pass?
This is what I go on my people. Just look, you know. See? Just look.
Yeah.
Because
All often can cross it. Alright, yo.
what those persons have done is no joke. That's a risk on their lives.
Watch it out.
Look at it.
History. Keep on hearing it.
What's her? Bumbo?
Charge, grunt like Erica.
You see that, people? You see that?
Charge, give me money.
Watch it. Watch it. Do not, and let me make sure I say this very clear, at no point do not try to cross flooded areas like that. Don't do it. If you see an area flooded, avoid the area. You understand me? That's a big risk on their lives right there, son. Not the people. I'm not trying to be disrespectful. I'm saying these words out of concerns. Some people might look at a situation like this and think of it certain ways, as I may say, but I don't find it amusing. That's dangerous right there, sir. Anyways, I think here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, man, you know where you watch.
Dancehall Skilla.